In this video, you'll learn how to create a new ticket automation. To begin, navigate to the Tickets module. From here, select the View button menu and choose Ticket Automations. Syncro displays any ticket automations you previously created. Click the Hourly, Ticket Created, or Ticket Updated subtabs to filter this table of automations based on their type. For automations that run on an hourly basis, you can drag and drop the rows to change the order Syncro evaluates them. Hourly automations have additional actions available, such as viewing which tickets the hourly automation will run on next, and a button to immediately run the automation. You can clone and delete any ticket automation, or use the active toggle to switch each automation on or off. Now, let's create that new automation. To start, click the New Ticket Automation button. Enter a name for the automation and then add a condition and action. For example, let's say you want to email the assigned technician whenever a VIP contact creates a ticket. So name the automation, then select the Ticket Created automation type. For the condition, choose the option Contact Tags, the Includes operator, then type VIP and press Enter. If this tag already exists, select it. Next, you'll specify the action to run for tickets matching your condition. Select Email Assignee. At the bottom, you'll see a list of template tags. Template tags allow you to dynamically add information into the body of the email. For example, you can include the ticket subject and a direct link to the ticket. Once you're done, click Save to create the automation.